Toyota Hilux to point for Conquest for buy to diesel automatic. SRP 1,960,000 pesos for super white. Let's go! The Toyota Hilux Conquest definitely earns commendation for its bold styling, rugged capability, and tech upgrades that cater to both off-road enthusiasts and urban adventurers. Bi-beam LED headlamps with integrated LED DRCCs give it a sharp, aggressive look while improving nighttime visibility. LED fog lamps are housed in bold, vertical bezels that blend into the bumper seat lamp design, enhancing both aesthetics and function. Select variants feature front parking sensors discreetly embedded in the bumper for easier maneuvering in tight spaces. A radar sensor and front camera are mounted behind the grille or windshield area, supporting Toyota's safety sense features like pre-collision system PCS, lane departure alert LDA, dynamic radar cruise control DRCC, dominated by a matte black hexagonal grille with a wide stance and muscular fender flares. Blacked out accents replace chrome for a stealthier, off-road ready vibe. The front fascia integrates tech and toughness, making it both visually striking and functionally advanced. With sport bar paired with bedliner and tailgate assist for convenience. Features distinctive LED rear combination lights that blend style and functionality. Hilux Conquest to Hilux GRS is now with rear Aircon. Let's check the driver and front passenger. For 0.2-inch TFT multi-information display shows fuel economy, trip data, and vehicle alerts. 9-inch touchscreen display supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto wireless in newer models. Okay, the panoramic view monitor PVM is available on Hilux Conquest and GRS. Let's see the available color for Hilux Conquest. Emotional Red adds 20,000 to the S or P when you choose the Emotional Red. Next, Super White 2, Gray Metallic, Attitude Black Mica, Oxide Bronze Metallic. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.